When precision and cleanliness are non-negotiable, your packaging line should deliver every time. That's where Polypack comes in. Polypack machines are built to your standards with stainless steel and WaterGuard protection for easy cleaning. The integrated glueless pad dispenser ensures seamless, sustainable distribution. It starts with the infeed conveyor, where products are smoothly transported to the oscillating diverter. Metering belts maintain control, releasing cups into designated lanes. From there, the staging mechanism organizes and holds rows of cups with precision. The rotary picker gently lifts rows with vacuum cups and places them onto a glueless corrugated pad. Options include single or dual pad configurations, as well as stacking for multi-packs. The film feed system pulls and perforates the precise amount of film, which the wrap arm wraps around the bundle. The bundles then pass through the adjustable shrink tunnel ready for distribution. At Polypack, we build machines to your company's standards and are here to make your packaging process more efficient and reliable. Contact us today to upgrade your packaging line.